Once upon a time, in a bustling hive named Harmonia, lived a diligent bee named Buzz. Buzz was not your ordinary bee. She was the only one who could understand the intricate waggle dance of her fellow hivemates. One sunny day, as Buzz returned from a successful nectar gathering, she found the hive in a state of chaos. The queen bee, Queen Melissa, was restless and the workers seemed lost. "What's happening, Buzz?" asked Queen Melissa, her eyes filled with worry. "We can't find the right flowers for the nectar. Our dance language has become unclear," she added. Buzz felt a pang of concern. She knew the waggle dance was the lifeline of Harmonia, guiding the bees to the best sources of nectar. She decided to help. "Let me show you, my dear queens," said Buzz, and she demonstrated the precise movements of the waggle dance. She explained how the angles and the duration of the dance represented the direction and the distance to the flowers. The queens watched in awe. They understood the dance for the first time. The hive buzzed with optimism as the queens led their workers to the best sources of nectar. From that day forward, the hive prospered. The bees learned the importance of clear communication in their dance language. They understood that a universal language, when used clearly and precisely, could lead them to success. "Clear communication is the key to a prosperous hive," said Queen Melissa, as she watched her hive thrive. "And Buzz, my dear friend, you have shown us that." In the end, the bees of Harmonia learned a valuable lesson. Clear communication, like the waggle dance, is essential for understanding and prosperity. And so, they danced their way to success, their hive buzzing with the harmony of a well-understood language.